Alright, I'm just going to cut these grapes in half, enough to fill this mason jar. A bit of a cinnamon stick. One chai tea bag. And then I'll pack it to the top with more grapes. And then I'm going to start a brine with about 1 cup of cider vinegar. About half a cup of water. 1/4 cup of sugar. And about a teaspoon of Maldon sea salt. Just whisk that up to combine everything and bring it to a boil. Meantime, I'm going to split up and pit some of these plums, and then I'll skin them too. And I'll just try and pack these jars fairly tightly with plums and to minimize the airspace in there, but I'm going to be filling it with brine anyway. Then I've got 1 Harvest Pumpkin Spice tea bag for the plums. And then just pour the brine over, and then once that's cooled, I'll cover those and throw them in the fridge. Actually, may let these sit out for about a day before I throw them in the refrigerator.